At the southernmost tip of the planet, Antarctica is covered by endless glaciers, behemoths that have silently witnessed the evolution of the planet's history. Today, they are facing an unprecedented threat, as these glaciers, which have stood tall for thousands of years, are disappearing. However, for many people, glacier melt seems like a distant climate issue, and few people have an in-depth understanding of how this change is actually affecting life in the oceans. As glaciers continue to retreat, marine ecological habitats that were protected by the ice are diminishing, and changes in ocean temperature and pH are threatening the survival of countless marine organisms. Therefore, how can we effectively awaken the residents and tourists of cities near Antarctica to this global problem and inspire them to pay attention to and take action on glacier melting and its impact on marine ecology? This is the key to our future actions. To meet this challenge, I have devised 3 complementary solutions. The first is an interactive exhibition. Imagine standing in front of a huge glacier and witnessing it change from solid ice to a trickle of water that eventually merges into the vast ocean. In our interactive exhibition, visitors will experience the process of glacier melting through virtual reality. From the giant ice of the glacier gradually turning into water, eventually merging into the ocean. The exhibit utilizes a dynamic interactive floor, overalls, and a wall of knowledge about glacier science to enable visitors to not only witness these changes, but to understand how they threaten marine life. My aim was to ring alarm bells and inspire viewers to take action through this immersive learning experience. Then came the jewelry designs. Each piece of jewelry carries a drop of water extracted from an Antarctic glacier, a message that goes straight from the poles to the heart. These beautiful jewels are not just decorative. They are bearers of an environmental mission, equipped with educational brochures. The jewelry educates the public about the seriousness of glacier melt, while every transaction directly supports Antarctic scientific research and conservation projects through online and offline water replenishment mechanisms. It's art meets science, and everyone's participation will push glacier conservation a step forward. Finally, welcome to Digital World, an online platform dedicated to marine and glacier conservation. Here, you can learn more about the impact of melting glaciers on marine ecosystems through interactive educational content and get directly involved in conservation actions. On the platform, each marine creature has its own story and conservation needs, and you can choose to donate to support the projects you care about. As the amount of donation accumulates, you will receive a virtual glacier ornament as a token of appreciation for your support. Join us in guarding these ancient glaciers and the life beneath the ice, protecting this pristine place for us and future generations.